Thor Odinson.
This message is broadcasted at the request of the Cascadia Office of Defense. An attack warning is in effect for the following areas: Jefferson, Oregon, Idaho, West Montana. The United States has declared war against Cascadia. All civilians within 100 miles of the Cascadian-American border should evacuate or shelter in place immediately. The Cascadian Defense Force will assist in evacuations and sheltering. All Cascadian Defense Force reservists will be deployed immediately. This is not a test. Repeat, this is not a test. The Cascadian Defense Force and Canadian Army have secured evacuation routes to southwestern Canada. Evacuate or shelter in place immediately. Updates will be given as they become available. This message will repeat once every hour.
So I keep a watch list of individuals and beings from other realms that may be a threat to this world.